holidays to everybody. You know what? Winter's finally hit in here at Grayhawk and in Arizona. The weather's getting cold, so what better way to start out with grabbing yourself a nice cup of hot coffee or a latte or something like that. And also, with the holidays coming in and families, why don't you stop by MOJO's and get yourself a famous cup of Chef Jeff's Navajo Corn Chowder. We sell it by the quart. It's also available by the gallon. So stop into MOJO's, grab yourself a hot coffee and some chowder for your family in the holidays.